Halloween. In this video we're going to speak about Clipboard API, and it's a native web browser feature that you can use without some npm libraries, etc, etc. First let me show it in Chrome. You can find my playground that I created for you and hosted in description in this native web API. I will show it in localhost, but it's going to be similar. Here you can find this playground with a Clipboard API here. You just can click try demo, and you see here it's some simple demo where you can click copy. You see a copy state, and now it's in our buffer. Now our clipboard have this thing, and we can use it everywhere, even in this search API here. So next, I will show you it in the code, but before this I want to speak with you about this npm library that people use a lot. Check this copy to clipboard. It's just some import copy to clipboard that you install with npm, and pay attention on wiki downloads. Wiki downloads 7 billions, like from in 1 week. Yeah, in a weekly basis. You see, it's really a lot. It's mean people use this library, and I want to show to you how you cannot overwhelm your node modules, but just create it natively with browser, because if you check this code, they also use just a native web API here. So you can do this yourself without some libraries, etc. And your node module is gonna be light and happy. So in this clipboard you see some API, debug, format. Yeah, they have some additional feature, but you can implement it yourself from my hook easily. Like my hook show a simple example, but usually people use this copy to clipboard for the same simple example. And people even use these components like copy to clipboard. You see, I created a native way. You can just take my code here from here and not install it to npm, because npm it's not modules, in npm it's hard without copy to clipboard components. So next, let's go to code. Code you can find here, download. I already opened this, and you can find hooks in the hooks folder. Yeah, surprise. In our case we're gonna use clipboard. I'm gonna speak about other hooks in other videos. And in components we just need demos folder, and here we need a clipboard demo. So it's all hooks that we need. You see, it's really easy, like it's not even copy to clipboard library. Here we use in React way. In a summary I will show you how to create it on native, vanilla, Vue, etc. But here it's a React way hook, and you can copy it like create copy. It's a synchron function where you just use API from our navigator. It's a web API, native web API. I ask about, I try to find on MDN, but for some reason it's more easy to find it here in just Google AI. So in Clipboard API we see our methods. It's just write text that we use in our case. If you check, we use this write text in Clipboard, where we gonna send text that we have in the input, and it's gonna be copy. Also we have, yeah, pay attention, it's promise. Also we have read text. It's mean we can pass this text. It's plain text from the clipboard, returns a promise, blah blah blah. We can do write data. It's arbitrary data, but usually we not gonna use this. We're gonna use just this one. All this stuff, it's like for some specific cases. Usually we just need this for our copy to clipboard. In most of the sites we just need some link to be copied to share it in the future. So it's all methods that I have, and in my case I show the most popular one. And if we check in code next, it's copy to clipboard. We just in React way we set copy. I'm not gonna review React here, because you can check in summary how you can do it in any other framework. Here is set copy, it's false in our case, and alert for Safari, because in Safari we have some restrictions, but I don't even have Safari in my browser, in my computer, sorry. Maybe I will install Safari actually in the next hook to also show you. But I have Mozilla, and in Mozilla it's work good. You see, it's just a native API, nothing more. I have Brave browser, but it's Chromium. Anyway, it's Chromium engine, but still, in Brave it also works, how you see. And if you check Microsoft Edge, it's also gonna work, because the Microsoft Edge, it's now Chromium. In all version of Internet Explorer it's not gonna work, but who cares about this shit? So yeah, it's all about Clipboard API. You can take it, this code, and use it. Let's go to summary. Last thing before summary, I just opened Clipboard demo, but I didn't show you, for some of you can be useful. How you use this hook here in Clipboard demos. We just have copy it and copy from here, like it's simple hook usage. In the copy we use copy with sample from our input, like classic, and copy it, we can check status of copy it to show this thing, how you remember. I'm already check Safari, try to find, but okay, I mean about this state here. So for this state we just use copy it from a hook that I added here, and we can show some of stuff when it's actually copied. So, well, next, now finally to summary. Let's go. Just some summary about any hooks that I showed you before in the video. All open source code you can find in description in a GitHub repository that fully open source, and you can also find Playground here. In Playground you can create like add pull request with your own hook, or you can test my hooks that I already added here. It's fully native, you can use it in your projects. I also add filter, but it's just, you know, for some fun. And pay attention, one important thing, you need to enable experimental web platform features for some of the hooks. It's only for most advanced ones, but still in some videos I'm gonna show advanced API hooks, so pay attention that this in Chrome Flux in address, this experimental platform features it's enabled, and it's all this Playground gonna work for you in a good way. And last thing that I want to discuss with you, all these hooks, it's React way, yeah? It's written on React, but if you want to use Vue or VanillaJS, Angular, Svelte, etc., how you can do it easily, I just want to show you. It's like some bonus. For example, let's take use Clipboard. I don't know about what hook I'm gonna speak with this video, because it's summary video. For us, you can take every hook like this, like I showed you. Use Clipboard, and you can open like Grok, for example, and in Grok we just can write prompt like, you can just go to Vue, VanillaJS, Svelte, etc. Let me even write for Svelte, just to show you. And you can just copy these hooks. In my case it's like, I will copy it from GitHub, and a Clipboard demo I also gonna copy all this code for Clipboard demo, and I also add this here in a Grok in my way, but you can use GPT, DeepSeek, whatever AI model you want. And here you can see that it just can easily convert this React way to another framework, even vanilla JavaScript. You see, because the most important one usually it's API itself. But if you don't want like to rewrite it yourself, you can just ask it like this. And you can see that in VanillaJS even it's created some use Clipboard functions, like, yeah, it's named it in React use hooks way, in React community way. But in Vue, how you know, in a Vue 3, use hooks with this convention, like from React. Here we can see for vanilla JavaScript it's created. For Vue in composition API, you can also ask in old version of API, not in composition one, but I recommend you use composition, of course, for now in Vue, because it's a modern one. And for example, in Svelte, even it's pay attention, it's not use Clipboard, because in Svelte it's usually like functions, but still you see it's created some hook way function with subscribe set for writable. It's a Svelte store here, but in our case it's not matter, and still. and still it's gonna have same logic that I show you in React. It's gonna just copy your clipboard in this way, and for all other hooks it's gonna work different, similar, sorry, not different. Anyway, let's go. With all these knowledges, you're gonna be good in a native web API. Yes, Uncle Ivan.